Those are my boobs look alike, luscious yellow and pink. And this is my memory of Enrico, the cat into Shrek. A new piece from Metal Barbies. There is DJ sets. Brats and Megan as Barbara Palvin, and Chloe. Unfortunately, she got red, as you can see by the hair. She's red. Come from Belarus. And my accessories. One of my favorite store, Bershka. He is my family member from Rome, the Wolf of Wall Street in the Rome soccer player team. I see by the moon. It's not the late, it's almost 7. We're gonna have some dinner. They can be the moon and the sun eventually. My home in the city, such as the Sex in the City. I already showed you. Those are my wasted items. A fart bag, fake lashes. I have a lingerie piece, some mirror. Then I have Biagio from Disney. White cat from the Aristocrats. Comes from Middle East. Like, yeah. I got him, it was close to his home. Actually, the store of Frank Matano, because he also has a store as a design fashion store. So you can find beautiful clothes, sweaters, the best as you can find around. It's owned by Frank Matano stores in Valencia, and Biagio lives with them. As you can see, I'm American. This is a New York City girls, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens. I mean, this is relevant. This is my favorite pillow, Barbie, but it's way small for me, so I think I'm gonna get another that is bigger. My plates, because when I get into the universe, sometimes I have to bring the plates with me. There is my Get Fit bag. I use Get Fit to keep in shape, and when I have time, I go there because I am into swimming, athletics, and this is my random, what is this called? Double fuzz coat. So I can keep this to travel to Hollywood. Honestly, I have another camera and an headphone. Oh, sorry, it's not headphone. Sound system amplifier. It's I'm not into music in Madrid, and I'm not working with my Canon 2090 Canon. There go some other random t-shirts. I go for a really cheap price. My Minecraft bag, a bag with a tail where I own my dog stuffs, some wings just for fun. I don't have hair problems, so people bold told me do not wear wigs please, because I know what doesn't mean and you don't look even cute, or cut your hair in case you want to. Some other random plates. So I'm departing. I have to take this out of here and do fulfill with things I need to bring with me. My designer did suggest me the Bordeaux one. I have also a beige one that is bigger, but I'm not sure I'm gonna get so much things, honestly. This is my powder. It's Chanel and it's pale. I mean, I respect the brand, so I don't use this so much in the matter that people abuse products. And a nanotechnology brush I got before I got scouted as Barbara Palvin, honestly. Just before. This is my morning routine products. Vichy, Nivea, Avène. Thank you so much. Say contour lenses, Collyrium. And I have here a Kara's bathroom soap because I am departing, so I don't have so much here. Those are other items for my beauty routine and my mirror, my teeth, vaporize my hair. Blush, there use a lipstick. It's mine. I'm not stealing. I really bought all of these. So this one. So this is my other randoms makeup, beauty care, nail polish, eyeshadows. It is a powder for the eyes, but I think it is more blue than green, and when I came home it became green, so I'm not sure it's still the same I bought. I think I gotta change it in home. And it's still Chanel, so I kept that. So those are others of my products for the shaving, some top extender for pimples, a whitener for whitening my skin because I normally get sunsets but I'm pale. Some tools I use to massage my skin. And now some product I found for hair is keratin and comes from Naples, Amalfi. It's also, it smells pretty good. It's not shitty at all. I got here do a travel. I'm from Hollywood and I'm in Valencia for a boat. So I basically think that this is racism. No soy lo que están buscando ellos. No soy exactamente el tipo genial de casted. I do the casting. I don't get cast. And I am not the ex, but the next. Ghosts are not for real. For me, I don't believe in ghosts. Changing my materials or developing ugliness just because this model is called Agnes the Ugly. I'm not Agnes the Ugly, either Betty la Fea. Lo siento. So I don't know, guys, I'm just experiencing so much prohibitions on my rights, and I wonder if it is just because I said something racist on African people. I didn't mind to say something racist. I'm not racist. I just wonder why I cannot get back to USA. Let's go. I'm gonna take my car and want to take the train, but it's not every moment. I have to check anytime, and I don't know where to do the tickets because it's very far from the rail station. It's a mess. So I'm gonna take the car. My car, thanks police. There we go. This is how it looks inside. So my company gave me the car. It's Woman You Donut and I'm the founder, and I remember so very well all of my friends working, the programmer, the scripter, all of the team, the staff in Madrid. 2017, you are my favorite. I won't change you ever. I'm gonna grab some socks, some bras, a lot of things, and I'll show you later. And maybe I'll also grab some shower in the pharma and some shampoo for the pharma to vaporize more the hair. I'm back. I tried this eyeliner on. It's L'Oreal. It's a discount, so you can get super fast at just a small price, like €3, and another one at €3 in brown. And I did my shopping. I also listed something for Saint Valentine, and my friend brought me a gift for later for Saint Valentine. So I said to him, can I come to your home? And he said, no, I'm sorry, not yet. So I'm now getting back, and I'll show you later what is into my shopping bags. Being honest, I did receive an invite to Pizza Italia for eating pizza here from Valerio Lundini. Just being honest, getting out of the car, taking a little pizza and just leaving soon. Amazing Pizza Italia. I love to eat pizzas. Pizzas, everyday pizza Italia, pizza egiziana, pizza di tutti tipo, napoletana, romana, Pizza Italia forever. I love Domino pizzas. Honestly, Domino pizza is my favorite. I have something to bring home as well. I took a box. Going back home, Valerio Lundini, it's a special guy. He will give me a bag once we catch. He said that we can keep handing, even though Lamine and Yamal is getting more fat and fat. I bring him some pizza as well to make him more fat again. As Lamine, it's is my boyfriend. So people asking me, why are you hanging with Valerio if Lamine is your boyfriend? The answer is, Valerio feeds me. He feeds me with food. We eat together at Domino Pizza. And Lamine is the owner of Domino Pizza. And he knew this. And don't say any more those things to me. Why anymore to say those things to me? Lamine knew that. He works here. He's the owner of Domino Pizza. Also, they are best friends. They will never do this to me. They will never do this to me. So yes, Lamine is the owner of Domino Pizza. Valerio works with Lamine. They are here to collaborate. They probably get ownership together, CEO and CEO together. They are friends and they work here. And they make awesome pizza of them here as well. In the wagon, they are inside. They are over there in Macintosh where I work. We all friends. And Lamine doesn't ever think of me that I am a bad girl. He never thinks of me I'm a bad girl. It's just and they have to call this Domino Pizza and not anymore Pizza Italia, and everything will be okay.